Okay, guys, follow me. Oh, let's open this. Okay, this thing came from Niger. Just got it. Just get food, Niger food. Yes, and other things. But I go. Let's open it. Ooh, Donna, Damina Faka. Okay, guys. Pardon. Hell, Jesus. Everywhere. Area, them pasapao, Gary. Jesus. Hey, Gary, I wish to tell you, they don't want my Gary here. Oh, this is what we are talking. This is the fish. The fish. Oh, hey. Area, them man. Hey, my upper. Oh, my God. Everything done scatter. Hey, Jesus. See you, my people. See. See? That's what we are passing through to get our food right here. Hey, my upper. Jesus. Hey, Maggie. No, Maggie. See? Mm, it's good. Hey. 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 Zobo. 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 Hey. It goes somebody this time around. You gonna somebody. You gonna somebody this time around. You gonna somebody this time around. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, Morocco. Stockfish head. See? Stockfish head. Yeah, yeah, away. I want to eat Niger food. Another zobo. Another stockfish. Oh, crayfish. Jesus. This up, I don't enter crayfish. Oh, crayfish. Grinded one. Grinded one. Oh, what I want to see. Hey, hey, I go chop. I go chop. I go chop. I go chop. Hey, hey, I go chop. Jesus, yeah. Look at what happened to me. Oh, I don't fall away. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't know what to do. Oh. My Gary, my Oba. Oh no. My Gary, my Oba don't mix together. I don't know what else to do just to pour it away. Hey. Gary has finished. Look at it. So if you want to bring something to Mozambique here, package it very well, not with this type of nylon. The one with zip, I beg. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. I just feel like showing you guys African food, how we bring our food here, okay? So you can be in Mozambique and you eat what you want. Bye for now. Let me organize everywhere. Mwah.